Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to crop your videos using the InShot app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to choose the video section that you want to crop. You can do it by tapping on it like this, or if you have more video sections, then you can hold and you will see here all the video sections that you have in your project. And to crop them, or to crop all of them, you will have to choose one, then swipe to the right, and right near the speed icon you will see the crop icon. When you tap on it, here you will have quite a lot of options to crop your video. Obviously, the first one is the no frame. When you do not crop your video, it stays the same height and width as it was. But if you want to create a video for YouTube or for TikTok, you can choose these versions, which is, I think, a very smart way from InShot to help you if you are not sure what is the right ratio for different platforms. You can use these. Now for Instagram, I wouldn't recommend you to use 1.1 because nowadays 4.5 is a lot better for Instagram, because the feed is taller, the fonts are taller, and most of the posts appear in 4.5, or if you use Instagram Reels, even 9.16. This would be the right version for Reels. But yeah, so this is the YouTube version, and here are more options if you are into those. And as you can see, it will cut our video. Now this video is exactly 9.16, so as you can see, if I choose to create a TikTok from it, it stays the same. But you can also set a specific crop as you like. You can set it, as you can see. You can move it by tapping the corners of the video, so you can crop it as you wish. And also, if you use these crops, these pre-made crops, you can move them around, so maybe you can focus on the more important parts of the video. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.